Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to make a trajectory map. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this tool is a tool of understanding and analysis. It got the following characteristics. It is a tool that allows tracking and analyzing behaviors and activities of a user in a given context. The objective is to understand the behavior and the interaction of a user in a specific context. This tool is used in the empathy and prototyping phase in a project that is being developed with the design thinking methodology. To the correct use of this tool is essential to collect in detail a very specific information of the participant user and analyzing in depth to generate an insight that contributes to the project development. Okay, so when we are gonna do a trajectory map, it's very important to before of anything choose the user that you want to track. Sometimes we pick someone that is a leader to have specific characteristics. The idea of this is to improve the understanding of the behavior of a user. So the first thing is that it's very important to have a picture of the user that we are going to work with. Put the name, the complete name, and it's very important to understand what are you going to analyze. You are going to analyze the day-by-day behavior. You are going to analyze the interaction between the user and a specific situation, a specific interaction, or if there is other situation, you just choose other and specify what are the things that you want to analyze. After that, you write the place. Where are you going to be looking and looking for the information? When is it going to do that? Is it gonna be just one day? Is it gonna be a couple of hours? Is it gonna be a week, a month? And it's very important to know from which time you start taking the information at what time you finish it. After that, it's very important that you keep track of any activity that the user is doing. So here you put the activity. I don't know, here you can say he wake up at breakfast. It's really up of the kind of information that you want to know. But it's very important to be very specific. If you keep track of everything he does or she does, it will allow you to understand better the behavior. Time. At what time start? At what time it end? So you can follow everything, and if for example you are not very sure of something that is going on, you can get back and analyze what was going on at that moment. Experience, that is very important because you need to analyze how the person, how the people are feeling with the interaction. If is he happy, is he sad, if average, normal, is really up of what the user is feeling in the interaction and in the moment that he is doing it. So that's very important as well. So time, very important to know everything that is going on. You can have more of these if of more squares if you want to specify more information. Analyze, very important. You need to know and you need to understand and analyze why and how is it the interaction. Touching points, that is very important because that will allow you to track the behavior of the person and to know if in some point of the day or in the daily information you can understand what was going on. As a conclusion, we can say that when you finish using this tool, you should produce a clear insight to guide the project and allow key decisions to be made for the development. That is the main purpose of this analysis. Very important that you understand why people was behaving, and okay, we already understand the situation. Now we need to know how can we get in track and how can we put our product, service, or model business in our development. This tool allows to increase the understanding of the behavior of users and identify opportunities that can be intervened. That is extremely important as well. So here in the behavior and the tracking that you do of your user, you can identify different situations. The key to the correct use of this tool is to be very specific and identify and classify all the components. So I know I say this a lot, but it's extremely important. If you are more specific in the development and the tracking that you do of your user, this tool will be very important in your development. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be a big help in your development. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Remember, every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.